Class, in the last video, I told you that busy was, what part of speech is busy? I said that it was an adjective. It is. So let's go to our adjectives page. We have 28. All right, I know we haven't talked about adjectives in a long time. So it's good for us to review. So remember, an adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. We haven't gotten into that. We just talked about it describing a noun. All right, so our adjective is busy, but how do we say it to spell it? All right, good, we say buzzy. So go ahead and on your next free line on your adjectives page, write busy. Or how do we say it to spell it? Good, buzzy. All right, class, what's our first syllable? Good, buzz. And our second syllable? Good, E. Oh, and I should have reminded us about this. All right, we could also put busier and busiest on here, but we won't right now just because we're going to put them on another page. All right. Oh gosh, let's go to our next page now, page 29. All right, now we have not reviewed adverbs very much. All right, an adverb is a word that adds information to a verb. So our word farther is an adverb. You could say, I ran farther. Or let's see. So this one's funny because farther can be a comparative adjective or an adverb. But let's see. If we say, I ran farther along the road, then I'm not comparing anything, right? I ran farther. It just means more far than I was. So in that sense, farther is an adverb. All right. So we'll go ahead and, gosh, our poor little adverb list, it only has one word right now. All right, let's go ahead and add farther. So what's our first syllable in farther? Good, far. And our second syllable? Good, ver. All right. All right, nice job, class. We now have 2 adverbs on our list. So far, again, far, farther, and farthest. Those can be adverbs. All right, let's see. Our next word, we've got a verb. What's a verb, class? Good, an action. We had a verb that did not use ed-dit to make it past tense. Class, what do we call a verb that doesn't use ed-dit to make it past tense? We call it irregular. Let's go to page 19, where we have our irregular verbs. All right, the word was grow. So in our first column, we'll write grow. Which O do we use in grow? Good, ow, O. So go ahead and write and mark grow. O. All right, our second column, looking at the pattern, what would we write in the second column? Good, is growing. That plant is growing quickly. So go ahead and write is growing. Remember, ing always gets its own syllable. All right, so grow is growing. Right, that means present and continuing. So if I say your plant is growing quickly, it means it's happening right now, but it's continuing. It's going to keep, it seems like it's going to keep on growing quickly. All right, our past tense is grew. All right, so for grew, which oo do we use? Good, oo, that we do use at the end of English words. Go ahead and write and mark grew. All right, we're going to stay on page 19 because we have another irregular verb that we learned one of the forms of. So your line under grow, in the first column we're going to write get. Get. So we didn't learn that one, but it's basic code. We should be able to write it. Get. All right, okay. Let's skip to the third column, our past tense of get, and that is got. So again, that one's a review word, right? Got. See if you need to mark it. All right, so this is present tense, this is past tense, and then we have a separate form for our past ongoing. That's the word we learned today. It would be has gotten. Has gotten. All right, so let's start by writing our helping verb, has. So you could use this in the sentence, he has gotten my paper twice. All right, so we need our helping verb has. And then before we add n, a vowel suffix to our 111 word, what do we have to do? We have to double our last consonant. So go ahead and write gotten. So has got is our base word. Then we add 10. All right, and mark it. What do we need to mark? Good, we need to double underline this. All right, let's add in, for get, let's add in the second form, the present and ongoing, is getting. Oh, but wait, look at get. It is a 111 word class. So after we write is, our first syllable is get, you can write that. Before we add our vowel suffix ing, what do we have to do to our 111 word? Good, we have to double the last consonant. So write is getting, make sure you do that 111 suffix rule. Would be is get. Then we double that last consonant. All right, nice job, class. I'll stop this video and make one quick last one where we put these in our lesson section.